In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a Shopify theme using a zip file. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. So go to admin.shopify.com and log into your account. Now from here you want to click here on online store and it will automatically take us to our online store themes. So if in any case you already purchased a premium theme that is compatible with Shopify, what you can do is simply go here in the theme library section and click here on add theme. And as you can see, there is an option to upload a zip file. Simply add your file right here and upload the file. So after uploading the file, it will look like this right here. So to use this to your Shopify store, simply click on publish and you will see a pop-up just like this and simply click on publish. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.